Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel Canva Pro subscription. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Canva account, of course, and then you want to click on your account or personal account. In the top right here you can see there your like username or your name, and then after that you want to click here, it says settings. Now in the next page, guys, you want to click here, it says billing and plans here. Okay, and here you will be able to see your card that you have used to buy the pro subscription. Okay, so as you can see, this is like the card. Now as you can see here, guys, I am using like Canva Pro. As you can see, I already subscribed for Canva Pro subscription. Now you just need to like click on these three little dots here next to change plan, three little dots, and you want to click on cancel plan. And after that, guys, you want to click on continue cancellation. And after that, guys, it says here, why do you want to cancel? You can just give them a random reason. For example, it's too expensive, and then click on continue cancellation. And here it says get 25% of Canva Pro. Okay, so they are just trying, guys, to like convince you guys to stay in their like pro subscription. As you can see, they just reduced 25% of Canva Pro. Now if you want, you can just keep offer, like you can just accept their offer, like instead of paying $55 you only pay like $40. Okay, so that's just up to you guys, and if you don't want, you just need to click on cancel subscription, and here your subscription has been canceled. Now you can just click on submit feedback, and that's all you need to do, guys, okay, to cancel subscription. Now if this one, guys, helped you, please drop a like. This would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.